Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see how we can install the Power Automate desktop application. So for that, let me go to my solution first. I can go to my objects here. So here I can go to new, I can go to automation, and here I have this option of desktop flow. So let me click on this. So when I will click on this, it will simply redirect me to this particular URL. Okay, now first thing is that if you are using this particular application, you need to have a license. So currently, instead of requesting for license, so we need this Power Automate Premium license for this one, and we can go to this documentation and check what all will be available using this one. Okay, now instead of going there, let me go here. So I can initially go with my free trial. So I can click on start a free trial here. Okay, as soon as I click on my free trial, it will tell me to launch the app. So I can simply click on this launched application, and here what I can do, I can say that get me the latest version. Okay, so now this is the best way to download this particular application. So it will take a minute, so I'll pause the video and wait for my setup to get downloaded. So my application is downloaded now, so I can go to my download folder here, and first of all let me unblock this, and I will install my application. So this is a desktop version of the application, and here I can simply say next. So depending upon my preferences, I can uncheck that, but this is mandatory, and I will click on install. So currently I am into this version, so depending upon your download, you may have a different version. Okay, so my installation is completed and I can launch my application now. So here my application is installing. Now it will give me the sign in option, and also I can select my reason as well. So I'll simply sign in. I can enter my username here. And let me enter the password now. I've entered my password. I can sign in. And it will ask me for a code as well. So I'm going to accept it right away. It's 58. And I'm done. Right now this application is finally signed in. My username is coming here. Okay, here you can get this wizard. Okay, and now let me minimize this. Okay, and let me do one thing here, and here it will give me my environment name as well. So let me create a simple flow here. Sample testing, something like that. Let me create this. Okay, so here is my flow, and basically this will open another wizard for me, and here I can develop my automations. Let me maximize this. So this may take some time because it's a desktop application and I'm using it for the first time. Okay, now a few important things that I want to mention here is, here are your actions. Okay, and this is your Copilot wizard, and here you have your variable section. Okay, and I think that is pretty much for now. Let me simply create a sample test automation to check whether it is working. So here what I will do, I'll click on my browser automation, and here what I will say launch new edge. So what I can do, I can simply drag this here, okay. And here what I will do, I will say that when you are launching this web application, please navigate to this particular URL. Okay, let me copy this URL and check whether this is working. Okay, and here one more thing is that you need to add this particular extension, your Power Automate. So it is automatically telling me, I will say, turn on the extension. Okay, now I want that as soon as this browser will be launched, I want this URL to be opened, and I want the maximize window. Okay, and browser interaction method. So save. Let me save this. So automatically you can see here the flow variable has been created. Okay, and let me do one thing here. Let me save this. And my flow is saving, and in the meantime what I will do, let me remove this. Okay, and let me go here. So here I can simply test my flow run. So I'll click here, and here you can see it automatically launches the URL for me. Yeah, so this type of browser automation and pretty much everything is possible using this RPA, or you can say Power Automate desktop application. So we'll see in our next videos like how we can work with it, because there are a lot of configuration and settings that are available here, and we can build a lot of automations by using this framework. So in this video we have simply seen that, let me open my notepad, how we can install the Power Automate desktop application. And the second thing is that we have also seen how we can enable the free trial license and can initially try this automation too. Thank you for watching this video.